Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, family. This is the Velvetlox back again in the kitchen with an awesome way for you to drink your Bragg's apple cider vinegar that is more tasty, that is healthy, and also some extra added benefits by making it this way. Okay, now this is an early morning detox that you can drink 3 times a day. No, you do not warm this up. This is for you to consume cold because of the pomegranate that we're going to be using. But let me start off with the wonderful ingredients that you're going to be needing in this wonderful detox. Now, it's a tastier way for you to ingest your Bragg's apple cider vinegar, for you to enjoy the taste of it. I'm telling you, okay, it's going to work wonders. Now, what you're going to need is your Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. You're also going to need some 100% pomegranate juice. This one is from Pom, as well as your lemon juice. Now, if you don't have fresh lemons, you can use this lemon. It's just as good. It will do the work for you. And you're also going to need 1 cup of water. Okay, 1 cup of water. So let's start right now with this wonderful video. Okay, now with the 1 cup of water, we're just going to put that in our cup. We're going to add in 1/2 cup of pomegranate juice. And we're going to follow that up with our Bragg's apple cider vinegar. Shake that up real good. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of our Bragg's into our glass. Make sure you shake it up really good first before using it. And we're also going to add in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay. If you don't have the lemon juice, you can use 1/2 lemon. That's equivalent to 1 teaspoon. It's so simple, you guys. That's it. Stir that up. Drink that 3 times a day, 20 minutes before each meal. Then you have a wonderful, powerful way of detoxing your body and getting rid of all of those toxins and pollutants, regulating your pH level, suppressing your appetite, and a nice, easy way for you to ingest this, okay? So this is another way that you can drink your Bragg's. You're going to lose that weight. Don't forget to follow up with eating healthy and light meals, okay? And you guys, you're going to enjoy this wonderful drink. It's going to help you to lose that weight fast. It's going to boost your metabolism. It's going to get your body right, all right? So thank you so much for joining me in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Thumbs up this video, and when you hit that notification bell, make sure you select all so you will not miss another wonderful video regarding weight loss, okay? So if you want to be a blessing to this channel, I have links down below where you can donate towards this channel, so this way I can bring to you better quality videos and better content, okay? So thank you again. Don't forget, I will see you in the next video.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos. Okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.